Welcome. In this video, we will see how to calculate present value of annuity due, particularly using Excel, also using a formula. So in this table here, which is labeled as table 5.6, we have in the left column time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cash flows $100. So the way to define that is this is a 6-period annuity due because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cash flows. However, the reason it's called annuity due is because the cash flows start right away. It's kind of like rent payments that we make or lease payments that we make. So we have to pay up front. And to find out the present value, really, fundamentals are same. If it's a cash flow, to take the present value, you use a formula. Present value, it's that amount divided by 1 plus rate to the power of time. So that's what is the concept that we'll be using here. So I've already laid out the cash flows. Notice we call this annuity due, and so equals cash flow divided by parenthesis 1 plus $2, which is 10%, to the power of BP4, which is time t equals 0. So, well, 100 divided by 1 is 100. But this one, 100 divided by 1.1 will be 90.91. Shift control 1. And then it'll keep on decreasing from there. Notice we have 6 cash flows and 6 present values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then all we got to do is add these present values to get the present value of annuity due. Now we can do the same thing, and there is we can actually find out present value of annuity due from present value of annuity, and we'll see the connection in just a minute. So Alt EST. Okay, let's first use Excel formula to find out the present value using the PV function. So this is BR2, that's the rate. The number of periods is 6. The payment is minus, actually we'll just say not 6 but BP10. The payment is minus BQ9. That's your payment. Future value is 0. That means we have no cash flows at the end of 6th period. And now here is where the difference between annuity and annuity due lies. Instead of choosing end of the period, we choose beginning of the period, or 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't choose anything, or 1. So you go there and press tab, it selects the 1, and then press enter. There you go, same answer. Now we can do this using the present value of annuity. So present value BR2 comma BP10 comma minus BQ9 comma 0, using the present value. And suppose we forgot to make the type as 1. No need to worry, because an annuity due is similar to annuity, except it's shifted closer to us by 1 period, makes it more valuable. So times parenthesis 1 plus BR2. Same answer. So that these are multiple ways to find out present value of annuity due. So again, I don't think we need this particular here, so I'm just going to say, oh, actually yes, we do need this. So equals PV. We don't need to lay out the cash flows elaborately. That's what basically we're saying here. PV rate minus 100. That's the number of periods. Apologies. That's the number of periods minus 100 comma 0 comma 1, close parenthesis, enter. Same answer. So that's how we find out present value of annuity due. Thank you for listening.